Hello, we're working on Prep Test 62, game number 2, question number 9, and it asks us, if two windows have exactly two colors, then one of those two could have which colors? So we've got our master drawing down here. If you missed that video, I would recommend going back and finding the setup video for this game and taking a look at it, or just pausing this video right now and working out the master drawing for yourself. And then we can continue. So, we know that two windows have exactly two colors. Which ones could those potentially be? Well, let's take a look at answer choice A. If one of those windows has the colors R and Y, we are breaking one of our central inferences right off the bat. We know that we have to have P or O in every single window. Thus, that can't possibly be the right answer, and we can get rid of that right off the bat. Likewise, D is lacking P or O, so we can put P and O, so we can put D on our list of impossible answer choices. The rest of them have at least one of P or O, so we need to consider them a little bit more seriously. Let's take a look at B, O and R. If we place O and R here, that limits where Y can go. Y would have to go in this space. We need to have two R's, so we could put R over here, why not? And now we need to make sure that we have a P or an O everywhere. We have a P here, we have an O here. We can't put an O in here, we can put a P in here. So we're okay. We've followed all the rules. We have two windows with exactly two colors in them, and O and R is one of those windows. So this one's looking pretty good. Let's just check C and E to make sure that they don't in fact work. So I'm going to delete what I've got worked out here just so that we stay a little bit neater. And we'll take a look at C. Can we build a window with nothing but O and P in it? Well, again, Y would have to go over here. We need R in two windows. I have to go there and there. And we're running into a problem here because we have purple here, we have purple here, but we have neither purple nor orange here, so we have to add one. And adding one would require us to have two windows with three colors. That's not what the question is asking us for. So that doesn't work. And finally, we come around to answer choice E. And I'm just going to delete this P here and put a G in its place. Because you'll see right away, if I put O and G there, we run into the exact same problem. We need R to go here and here. Y has to go here, so we would have to add a third letter to this window, and it would have to be a P in order to make everything work out. So we break our rule of having two windows with exactly two colors. So that is why B is the correct answer to question number 9.